Hey guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. Today we're going to be looking at the Belkin Watch Valet, which is basically a charging dock for your Apple Watch. The reason why I got this particular charging dock is because this one costs about $55, which is just around 200 dirhams, and it's basically got the charging dock with a wire attached to it. The cable itself costs about 125 dirhams or about $29. So for me, at 75 dirhams more, you're basically getting a dock as well. And if you go for the Apple standard dock that they have, there's basically just one kind if you want a dedicated Apple Watch dock. That thing costs over 300 dirhams. That's over $100, which to me doesn't really make sense. It looks really nice too, at least in the box and in the pictures. And it'll keep your Apple Watch sort of above your desk level as well. So it gives it the kind of nice nightstand kind of setup. So the packaging itself is actually quite interesting. It's got this magnetic window, which I'm a big fan of. So as a piece goes, it's definitely heavier than I would have imagined. This piece itself, not counting the wire, but let's open this up as well. Aha, so the watch band support thing kind of comes along with this. Snaps on quite easily. And of course you have the wire. And inside this, I believe there's a little bit of instructions as well. So let's have a quick look around the thing itself. It's quite weighted, as I already said. It's nice chrome. I think the build quality feels already really good. And it's just got Belkin written over here, which, I mean, I kind of would prefer to not have it because it's going to be on my desk all the time, but it's not in your face. It's kind of subtle because it's a little bit more gray and it doesn't bring a lot of attention to it. The bottom over here has this rubberized feel and sort of will keep it in place. It doesn't really move much, so that's good. It gives me a lot of confidence with this. But what's a little sad is that it doesn't really come with any kind of wall plug, so you have to either use your existing wall plug or you can use your iPhone plug because that's also 1 amp plug. That should be good enough for you. One of the reasons why I got this, other than the price and the convenience of everything with having a dock and a wire, everything built together, is because now I can take my actual original Apple Watch charger with me and keep it in my travel bag, which I have ready and handy all the time. So I don't have to keep unplugging this from the wall. I can just carry this with me and connect it with my travel charger for my iPhone as well. So that's kind of good. So now let's plug this in and see how it works. This is a 1.5 meter wire, which is quite long. It's got a little Belkin branding over there. Doesn't really hurt me then because it's going to be in the wall anyways. Alright, so now I have this plugged in. One thing I wanted to check is that I do tend to use my Apple Watch sometimes with a sort of protective case around it, mostly when I'm going to the gym, when I'm working out, so that it doesn't get nicked about on the sides, and it allows me to be a little careless while traveling. So let's check this out. Perfect. Works just as you would expect it to. And looks really nice actually. I really like that. So let's have a look at the other piece that they give, which I already showed you, the little watch band support thing. I mean, I'm not really sure what this is supposed to do, but I'll put that there, and okay. I guess that lets me wrap it around the watch. I'd like to try one thing out. Let me just clear out all the clutter around the watch. Alright, so what I've done here is I've taken out all the stuff. I've taken out the case and I've taken out the straps, and let's just plunk this on. That's one way you can actually charge your Apple Watch. Probably if you're not using this and you're planning on not using it for a while, you can probably even just leave it on here. Maybe not keep it charged at all times, but again, it just sort of hangs there. It's perfect. It works really well. And I guess if you're using it like this, you can put it sideways and give it the sideways dock mode. If that works, it does. There you go. If you're into that, I don't know. I'm a bit indifferent. I guess it doesn't really stay that way. But overall, I'm going to give this a big thumbs up. At $55 or just under $55 and about 200 dirhams, I think it's a good purchase. For me specifically, I didn't buy this directly from UAE, so the prices are a little bit more expensive. It's about 300 dirhams. So what I ended up doing was that I had someone coming in from US. As you guys know, I do that a lot. I do that very often. So I managed to get this from the United States and it turned out to be overall much cheaper. So I saved about 100 dirhams there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you thought about this in the comment section below. And of course, you can catch me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at TJTechDXB. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.